Betty Blue.
Now let's open this one.
Okay, let's open this one. This may be for Nana and Papa.
Open it. Open it for them.
What is it, Tucker?
Look at that.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, look. Look.
Look at me. I'm open this one.
This.
Okay?
That one is
I'm gonna go buy some of that.
You know, when they were out here, they couldn't stand our knives. They said, I think we know what we're going to get you.
Tucker, are you opening your present?
Wow.
What? The whole line of queen?
Oh!
Wow. What do you say, Tucker?
Can you say to the camera, can you say thank you, Aaron and Ross?
Thank you, Aaron and Ross.
What did you get?
Lightning McQueen!
Wow.
Hey, if this is Aaron and Ross, let us thank them.
Yeah.
Hey, Aaron and Ross.
Thank you
Thank
for the
you so
knives.
much for the knives. We'll put them to good use. Mwah. All right, what is this one for? That one was for, that's for Nana and Papa.
Okay. Let's open them.
Can you give that to them?
No,
Or do you want-
once you give that to them.
You can open it for us.
You want-
Yeah, you can open it for us. You be our opener.
You can be a good opener. I think that's the easiest to open that. Oh my gosh. I was very worried that they would forget that. Do you know?
Wow.
Thank you for coming
Papa
through.
said, I wonder if they thought.
What is it, Tucker? What is it, Tucker?
Is it meat?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And it's country ham. Good country.
And Papa was very worried they would forget.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Hey, the country ham.
Well,
What is it? What is it?
what is this?
What is it?
Here's lightning.
Oh, wow. And who else?
What else is in there?
The cookie takers.
Yes. That's
Wow.
right, yours.
What do you say,
Open it
Tucker?
again.
Does that say to Tucker? It's to all of us. So that's for
Everybody.
That's for everybody.
Try to open it.
Okay, thank you for offering to open it for everyone.
Wait a minute. That's not for everybody.
Tucker, where did you learn "wait a minute" from?
I didn't.
Wait a minute. I think you learned it from Nana.
Wait a minute.
Oh, look.
Oh.
Yeah, what book is that, Tucker?
What name is that? Can you read that?
Who is that?
Very good. Olivia goes to Venice. Have you been to Venice?
No.
Well,
Yes, you have.
yes, you have. You have. You remember Venice with all the boats, remember?
Yeah.
Yes.
Should we read that book tonight, Tucker?
Olivia goes to Venice. Thank you. What
That's
a
great.
present. All right.
Wow.
And so do you want to open Olivia's present for her?
Look at little Olivia is in high heaven over here.
So you know what? There's one more present. Who's that for?
What? Me?
Check it out. Read
Who
it.
is it for?
Read the tag. Look
Who,
at the
what does it
tag.
say?
Read it.
Who's it to?
Hmm? Not Nathan.
No.
Oh, what letter? What letter? What letter is that?
Olivia.
That's right.
Can you help her open it?
That how can I know more than me?
Because you got more than
You
everybody.
got the most of anybody.
Olivia.
Dad?
No, sweetie.
No.
She can play with them while I'm unwrapping them.
Mommy, this is a gift for Olivia.
Dad,
Okay. Olivia.
Right,
Come here.
Olivia, let's open it with Olivia. Yes, Olivia.
Look, Olivia, can you help her pull?
Oh, look.
Look at this.
Oh, my goodness.
I think it's a book.
Oh, my goodness.
Dr. Seuss, Circus McGurkus. Look
Oh,
at
my
this.
goodness.
you feel things, see?
Oh,
Yes,
my
you
God.
can feel things.
Olivia goes to Venice, and she did.
I know, isn't that great?
That's right.
Oh, my
You
goodness.
All right.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Oh, cards. Kelly. Kelly.
What's that? Where are the cards? Okay, let's see.
Get the cards,
Where did the
Tucker.
cards go?
Tucker.
Tucker, where are the cards?
There's one
Can you
there.
give to Nana and Papa, the red one?
Okay.
And the white one is for Mom and
Okay.
Daddy.
All right,
Papa?
go ahead.
So shall I read mine?
Yes.
Mom and Dad know what one of our favorite things about Christmas is. No, not the presents or the cookies, although they're really, really good. The best is having time just to hang out with you, laughing, talking, whatever we do is fun. And we wish we could do it more. Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad. We hope you're having a great Christmas with the Navy Clan. So we wish we were there. Thinking fondly of September. We love you. Love, Aaron and Ross. So,
Look.
All right, and then we've got one that has, what are those?
Louis cows.
Yes, mooey cows.
oh, how
That's
And
it.
it says, Feliz Navi Moo.
Louis nothing new.
Oh, yes, is that silly?
Yes.
What should it say?
Feliz Navidad.
Yes, Feliz Navi Moo. We wish we were there with you, but we are in spirit. We love you guys so much. Merry Christmas, love, Aaron and Ross. Yes.
All right. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Ho, ho,
Merry
ho.